Hi guys, I'm Siddharth. Welcome to my channel, and in fact our channel. Okay, and this video we are recording to give our 2 weeks review. We have purchased this car. This not a car. This is not a car. This is a Jeep, and it is 4x4 Life. So we have bought this on 10th of September. We got the delivery from our Pune showroom, which is in Wakar, and our delivery experience was good. And this is I'll tell you about the variant. This is actually Jeep Compass Model S 4x4, and this has engine capacity of 2000 cc, so it has multi-jet 2-liter diesel engine. And this option is actually coming with the option 2. So Model S, which was earlier in production, was simple Model S, and it does not have latest features, but in August 2021 they have actually released option 2. So it has it has some new features in it. For example, infotainment system itself, they have upgraded it from 2 GB RAM to 6 GB RAM. If I'm not wrong, it was earlier 2 GB, but right now it is 6 GB, so they have increased the RAM. And they have given the ventilated seats, and I think that was in earlier version as well. So this was one thing, and there are three other features. I'm not able to recall them right now, but there are three other minor features which are there. And yeah, one of them is the ventilated seats. So the driver seat now will be the ventilated seats will be turned on automatically after some time. So if the car detects that the outside temperature is greater than 26 degrees, then it will automatically turn on the ventilated seats for driver one, and it is not for the passenger seat. Okay. So this is about the new feature. Now coming to the ride quality, it is awesome. I have driven almost 60 to 70 kilometers this car in city. Okay, I don't know why I'm keep on saying car. It is not a car. It is not a car. It is Jeep. Okay, so I would say I've taken when I was going to buy this car, I've taken multiple test rides. Okay, and I've driven this car in some kind of off-roads. Okay, I've done some off-roading as well, along with the Jeep Compass salesperson, and that was a good experience. And that's when I decided that I definitely have to buy this car. This is awesome. And second thing I'll tell you about this is the music system. Music system is awesome. Okay, so if you are a music lover and you like listening to music on a louder voice, then it is awesome. And other thing which adds to this ambience is the panoramic sunroof. Okay, sunroof is really good. Okay, and people who sits on the back seats are also enjoying this panoramic view. And in Pune's weather, I think it is worth spending on the sunroof model. Okay, because Pune's weather, you all know, it is awesome. So this is a short review from my side. And secondly, we are planning to go on a long drive very soon. Okay, so we are trying to make a plan for Goa. Let's see when it happens, but definitely when it will happen, we will come back again with another video and another review that how it feels on a long drive. And we are also planning from Pune to Delhi trip. Okay, so let's see when that happens, and that will also happen very soon. Let's see. And for your information, this car I have right now, within 2 weeks of time, I have almost driven 1200 kilometers. Okay, so if you can show, it is almost 1200. It is 1165. And yeah, the other thing which I will tell you about this car is, if you are going for a 4x4 option and the auto transmission, then don't expect that it will give you good mileage. Okay, because it is not built for that purpose. Okay, it is built for enjoyment in driving. Okay, so if you are a driving enthusiast, then definitely you should buy, and you should not think about how much diesel or how much fuel it is you know it is taking on. Okay, so you should not go for that. Okay, so this is my short review. We will come back again, and we will have another review round. Let's see. For now, goodbye.